Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a little shout out from the International Nursing Research Congress being held here in Calgary, Canada. I am in a poster session right now, and there are literally hundreds of posters from all over the world with all kinds of research being done, and it's always nice when the researcher tells you it's a qualitative versus a quantitative study. So I'm looking at a poster, Experience with the Participation of Cancer Patients in the Shared Decision-Making Qualitative Research. Just looking at a few things here. We've got lots of posters to look at. Pretty interesting stuff going on here. Lots of posters from China and Taiwan with all different kinds of topics here. Let's see. The one behind me, we've got words used by nurses who explain medical procedures to children with developmental disabilities. So I'll just give you a little perusal like that. A lot of interesting backgrounds to these posters. This one is on preparing IV medications in Brazilian pediatric cardiology units. You'll notice all of these posters have some type of purpose statement, so we talked about how important that is in research, as well as what types of methods are being used, and some results and conclusions. Some of the posters also talk about what theory is being used, or have a framework involved with them. Here's one, a grounded theory study on the symptom acceptance of tinnitus patients, and this is out of South Korea. So that's kind of interesting too, but you can see they're showing a theoretical diagram of the symptom acceptance process, so incorporating that, as well as their purpose, methods, results, and conclusions here. So just really cool stuff. You can kind of see lots of different topics being looked at. Some of these are by students in undergrad programs, some are graduate level, and then we have a lot of practicing nurses both in academia and in health settings. Here's one on the role of the caregiver in post-traumatic stress disorder following C-section. So I know some students are interested in OB topics and some of the trauma experienced during the birth process. I'll give you, this is a very small poster. So a lot of these will give recommendations or implications for practice as well, which is really important to think about the so what, or why do this study, or what does this mean for nurses. But just wanted to show you a little bit of what's going on here. Lots of great presentations. Just was in a session on men in nursing and some of the struggles that male nurses experience in going through the education program and once they get into practice. So all kinds of great stuff. I'll share a little bit more throughout the Congress with you. Have a great day and see you all next week.